exactly how to read candlesticks. Okay, so I'm going to end all confusion. It's a very easy approach. This is not a video that's going to show you how to read a doji or what's an engulfing candle. I'm going to show you a very simple approach that you can start implementing whatever your strategy is, smart money, retail, what have you. You can come in and actually read the candlesticks how it's meant to be read. So let's just jump straight into it. So right here, what you have here is what I look for when you start to read price, because when you're reading candlesticks, that's essentially what you're reading. You're reading price, okay? And obviously price is fractal. We're on the daily chart right here, but I mean, you see candlesticks, these type of candlesticks form, whether it's the monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, or lower time frame 15 5-minute charts. So how you read candlesticks, you like I said, you're reading price. So you have an opening, okay, and then you have a high, then you have a low, and then you have a close. That's it. Video's over. No, I know you're probably thinking like, oh my god, that's okay, that's nothing. But okay, so how price works, you have your opening price, okay? You want to focus on where price opens at. You want to focus where the high, you want to focus on the low, and then you want to focus on the close. All right, and so basically, when I read candlesticks, when I come into the market, I don't need to know whether this is engulfing it or this is, you know, whatever. Like that doesn't matter, because I'm reading price. I'm not reading what a pattern is or what a candlestick looks like. Okay, so when you apply this to your trading, you want to just focus in where's that opening price, where's that high, and where's that low, and where's that close. This in itself, your open, high, low, close, in itself is all you need to know. So caught you for a whirlwind. So it's so instead of reading candles, what I challenge you to do, instead of trying to read candles or patterns, look at it just for what it is, price. Okay, just look at it for what it is. We have an opening, we have a high, we have a low, we have a close. And a good way to see how this looks is go to your trading view, click this button here, and go to bars. Okay, so go to the bar chart. This is how you're really reading price. But we obviously have been trained to use Japanese candlesticks, but even I can see it. I know that price, you know, for instance, like this candle here, we had an opening, we had no wick at the bottom, we just had a high, and then we had a close. Okay, and you can see this throughout your charts, man. That it's very simple. This is a no-brainer approach on how you read candlesticks. I'm not a candlestick pattern trader, so for me, you know, I don't care what the pattern is showing me. I care more so where did we open, where was the high, where was the low, where was the close. And in the next video, I'll actually go a lot more in depth on how I really read price, and, you know, dive more into accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But yeah, this is a very simple approach. I definitely think you should apply it and